Today we have to discuss about mutual inductance. Okay, the concept is mutual inductance. In the yesterday class or previous class you have to discuss about the self inductance. Okay, that self inductance is a property of a coil which is oppose the decay or growth of current. But in the mutual inductance, mutual means you have to take a inductance similar to the another one. Means so the mutual induction is the phenomena of inducing EMF in one coil due to the change of current with time in a nearby coil. Means you have to here consider the two inductance coils. This one is connected with the key and here you have to connect it with the battery, and you have to similarly consider another one coil, and this coil is connected with the galvanometer, and this one, first one you have to call it as primary coil, this one is the secondary coil. So mutual inductance is the phenomena of inducing EMF in one coil. E coil ka you have to inducing EMF using this battery. Okay, inducing EMF in one coil due to the change of current with the time in a nearby coil. So other the neighboring coil ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದರೊಳಗೆ current change ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that change of current is measured by the galvanometer. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲ್ದಾಗ ಇ ಎಮ್ ಎಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆವು ಅಂದರೆ ಎರಡನೇ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ದಾಗ ಇ ಎಮ್ ಎಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ವಿತ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಪಾಸ್ ದ ಇ ಎಮ್ ಎಫ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇ ಎಮ್ ಎಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದಿ primary coil when you tap the key. Before tapping there is no EMF in the circuit or there is no change in magnetic flux. When you tap the key at that time the EMF will be flows, means current will be flows through the circuit. At that time the change in magnetic flux takes place surrounding the primary coil. So this magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil. So when here magnetic flux is changes and this magnetic flux affects the secondary coil, and at that time the magnetic flux of secondary coils also changes. So when the magnetic flux is changes, at that time the induced EMF will be takes place inside the circuit. So ಇದರೊಳಗಿನ magnetic flux change ಆದಂಗ ಇದರೊಳಗೆ EMF induce ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. That induced EMF will be measured by the galvanometer G ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತು. and when the magnetic flux or EMF will be changes here, at that time the EMF of the secondary coil also changes. So if you supply the more EMF here, at that time the more magnetic field will be produced, means the more magnetic flux will be produced surrounding the primary coil. At that time the more field will be affect on the secondary coil and the more deflection will be takes place in the galvanometer, and the deflection of galvanometer is takes place due to the primary coil magnetic field affected on the secondary coil. This one generally you have to call it as a mutual inductance. Now we clear the concept. Mutual induction is the phenomenon of inducing EMF in one coil due to the change of current with the time in a nearby coil. Okay, this is the mutual inductance. Now we have to discuss about the coefficient of mutual inductance. What is the coefficient of mutual inductance? Here the coefficient of mutual inductance or induction. So let phi b be the magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil, then a current I flows through the primary coil. So ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ದಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ಸ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಕರೆಂಟ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ primary coil ದಾಗ ಏನು ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, that current is directly proportional to the magnetic flux of the secondary coil. That one you have to taken here. Phi B is directly proportional to I, or phi B equal to the proportionality constant is M into I. So this M is proportional constant, nothing but a mutual inductance of a coil, constant of mutual induction or coefficient of mutual inductance. And this coefficient of mutual inductance is different on the area and the number of circular rings present on the coils. So if I equal to 1, then M equal to phi B. So I equal to 1, current flowing through the coil is 1. At that time the magnetic flux produced on the secondary coil is equal to the magnetic flux linked with the secondary coil when units current flow through the neighboring coil. So magnetic flux is equal to the mutual inductance. Okay, and next then EMF induced in secondary coil is, so secondary coil ದಾಗ ಏನು EMF induce ಆಗೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. So according to the Faraday's law, we know that the induced EMF is directly proportional to the rate of change of magnetic flux. That one here you have to take it. So 5V ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನಮ್ದು ಏನು ಬಂದೈತಿ, so here 5V is Mi. So you have to substitute that value here, minus T into Mi divided by dt equal to minus M into di by dt. And if di by dt equal to 1, then the mutual inductance is equal to the induced EMF. Okay, ಯಾವಾಗ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ is equal to 1 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ EMF ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇ here written here, mutual inductance of two coil is equal to the EMF induced in one coil. That coil is secondary when the unit rate of change of current in other coil, primary coil. SI unit is Henry. That one SI unit of mutual inductance you have to take it as a Henry. So if E equal to 1 volt, at that time the rate of change of ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟನ್ಸ್ 1 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, 1 ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟನ್ಸ್ 1 ಬೇಕು, 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ದ ಅವಾಗ ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ EMF is 1 ವೋಲ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ 1 ಆಂಪಿಯರ್ ಫರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟನ್ಸ್ 1 ಹೆನ್ರಿ ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟನ್ಸ್. Okay, and next we have to discuss one problem on the self inductance. So here the problem is, so what EMF will be induced in a 0.5 Henry inductor in which current changes from 10 ampere to 7 ampere in 0.05 second ಅನ್ಕೊತಾರೆ. So what EMF will be induced in a, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾಯಿಲ್ ಐತಿ, ಆ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ದಾಗ EMF ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ EMF you have to find out here. So L equal to self inductance they given is 0.5 Henry and I1 I2, the two current change of current from I1 to I2. I1 is 10, I2 is 7 ampere and the change in the current is dt. So 0.05 second. So induced EMF is formula epsilon equal to minus L into di by dt. This is from the self inductance, already we discussed. Minus L into, so change in current, so I2 minus I1 divided by dt you have to take. So minus L, here L is 0.5 and I2 is 7, I1 is 10 divided by 0.5. So you got the answer is 30 volt. Okay, and here the generally the difference between the self inductance and mutual inductance, and here the self inductance, it is inductance produced by itself, and mutual inductance, the inductance will be produced by neighboring coil with the current flowing through one coil. The EMF in one coil due to change of current in the time in neighboring coil. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಿಂದ ಇ ಎಮ್ ಎಫ್ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ದಾಗ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಕೈತಿ ಅದು ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲ್ ಇಂಡಕ್ಟನ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿ ಅದರ ನೈಬರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಯಿಲ್ದಾಗೂ ಏನು ಇಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಇ ಎಮ್ ಎಫ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನೆಟಿಕ್ ಫ್ಲಕ್ಸ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ.